Do you think native advertising is great, but wondering how to use it to actually get your message heard by your audience? Well, strap in as I take you through some of the most powerful marketing tools you can leverage. Native Facebook advertising. If you can get to grips with the targeting tools in the back end of Ads Manager on Facebook, you'll be well on your way to marketing success. The focus here is on Facebook because 1, that's where your audience is most definitely hanging out, and 2, advertising options on Facebook are probably the most robust of all social platforms. Everyone else is playing follow the leader, at least now that Facebook has really ramped up its investment in turning the platform into an advertising powerhouse. So let's take a look at a few ways you can turn your ad campaigns from scattergun to sniper rifle. Hey guys, it's Hannah here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. First off, you can target your audience where it counts. At first glance, you'll find that Facebook audience targeting allows you to segment audiences by general location, age, job title, and interests. Fairly intuitive stuff, but overall pretty basic. If you dig a little deeper, you'll find that you can target your ads to people based on their lifestyle, income, household composition, and most importantly, even their recent physical activities, a level of detail that can be hugely useful. It may be no surprise to you that people often book their next holiday just after they come home. Heck, some even book their holiday before they finish their current one. We all know about the younger generation's wanderlust and the fact that they suffer from extreme FOMO. We also know that timing is a key to selling. So if you're in the travel, tourism, or event industry, you really want to be utilizing a feature that's lurking in Facebook's audience builder. That tool is behavior targeting. You can serve your ads to audiences based on their recent actions in the real world, not just their digital surfing. Your business doesn't even have to be in the same industry. This information can be extremely useful to even remotely related businesses. Take a moment to pause and identify the behaviors of your audience that may make them interested in your business, whether consciously or subconsciously, and see if you can't tailor your marketing to capitalize on these behaviors. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell and stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Next up, if you've made sales online or in store, had people sign up to your newsletter, or have even had them attend an event, you may be able to leverage the hell out of their information. Why? Because these people have shown a clear interest in your product or service. And if they do, then others who share their traits will too. Facebook's custom audience feature makes it easy to identify people on Facebook who match your existing customers and serve up some in-feed ads to them. All you have to do is create an Excel file that contains their email and upload to Facebook. Personal information is hashed for security, but suddenly you'll find you've got a potential audience made up of users on Facebook who closely match the interests of your existing database. If you want to take it to the next level, I'd recommend separating your database into lists made up of converted, prospective, and lost customers. Then figure out what their pain points were, in the case of the unconverted, and how you can help them. Next thing you know, the topics you need to talk about in your advertising are right in front of you, and your audiences are targeted just right. Thirdly, if you thought Facebook ads only provided one-way communication, well then you're in for a real treat. You can, in fact, strike up a conversation with your audience by linking your ads to Messenger. When someone clicks the call to action button in your ad, be it an offer, a video, a carousel, a chat box pops up and opens up the opportunity for a prospect and you to take action instantly. It also means you have the opportunity to get your sales hat on and convert as you would in a traditional sales sense. With Messenger ads, you can have a real-time conversation with your audience. You can prompt them for more information about themselves, provide them links to related reviews, articles, or products, and they too can do the same. This feature is particularly invaluable for achieving the level of engagement and intuitiveness that people are now so keen on receiving. Despite the rhetoric around how everyone has become advertisers, don't underestimate how much they love a personal approach. When you're messing with Messenger ads, you might consider taking up one of those fancy Messenger bots to instantly reply to people. I highly recommend testing this out thoroughly before you hit go, because more often than not, people are going to break your bot. Well, that's my little list of campaign superchargers, but there are plenty more to be found. At the end of the day, testing out new features and having a play is well worth the time investment. You might just find the key to winning over your customers. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. Well, that's it from me. Happy marketing.